Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be trying the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark Self-Tanning Foam for the first time. As you can see, I'm still a little tan from last summer, but as I'm getting older, I'm trying to stay out of the sun because I know it's very harmful to the skin. It causes wrinkles and dark spots, so I decided to try a self-tanning lotion. The tanning foam was $26 and the mitt was $6, so it was $32 total, which isn't too bad. So I showered and I didn't apply any lotions or creams on my body. I have a clean slate. I'm ready to apply the foam. It says to put it onto the mitt. It says it's foam, but it's like this liquid that just flew out. So I guess I was supposed to shake it, but it doesn't say that on the bottle. It does not say to shake before use, but I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna try this again. So it says to apply it to the mitt. That's much better. Much better. And then apply it in long sweeping motions. It smells like coconut. It smells really good. So that's a plus because sometimes they stink. And it's making my skin a nice dark color. And I really don't care about this bathing suit, so that's why I'm wearing it, because I'm sure it would stain. I'm gonna evenly distribute. So far, I like the color. It's not orangish, it's brown. Rub it between my fingers. So here's the difference so far. Looks darker. It feels like it dries pretty quickly. And don't put deodorant on, that's what it says, because it could turn green. So it says to use the remainder on your hands after you rub it in your arms. I wish it would come out this color. This is a pretty golden brown. Okay, now for my stomach. Get it around my belly button ring. There. This mitt is super soft. Now my legs. Look at that difference. I guess I was pretty white. I'm gonna finish putting this on the rest of my body, wait the 6 hours, and then see how it comes out. So I waited the 6 hours and I washed off the tan around 8 o'clock last night. I'm pretty happy with it. I feel like it definitely made me look a lot darker, kind of like a bronzy glow. What do you think? The only thing I would do different next time is instead of wiping the foam directly on my hands, I would wipe it on my body and then use what's left over on the mitt for my hands because they came out kind of dark. See? Keep in mind that it does take 6 hours. Maybe next time I'll do a review on the 1 hour express tan. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and share the videos. See you next time. Now it's time for the beach with my beach body. Woo!